Hi there, students. Bipolar. Okay, bipolar is an adjective. Normally, I think we most commonly would see it meaning affected by bipolar disorder. Okay, this is a mental condition where at some times somebody is really depressed, and then at other times they're full of energy, they're full of excitement. So she has been bipolar since she was a young child. It can be difficult sometimes to treat bipolar people. I think very often they don't know that they are bipolar. Let's see. You could also use bipolar to talk about something that is both from the Arctic, the North Pole, and the South Pole. So I was wondering if penguins are bipolar creatures or not. I think they do live in both, but maybe somebody will correct both the North and the South Pole, but maybe someone will correct me that. Okay. In politics, bipolar is a country where two different areas have the most power. So in the past, the world power structure was the bipolar world of the Soviet Union and the United States. Although I think now our bipolar world is China and the United States. Okay, so it has two different poles. Okay, bipolar has a magnet has two different poles, so it's bipolar. All magnets are bipolar. They have a positive part and a negative part. So something that is bipolar is something that has two parts, two choices, especially when these are opposites. Okay, so if something is bipolar, it's either good or bad. Each side only has one of two options. So bipolar disorder, this is, as I said, a mental health condition. This is a mood disorder. And sometimes the person is really happy and full of energy, and sometimes they are depressed and they are down. And this is bipolar, somebody who can suddenly change from somebody who's very happy to somebody who is very depressed, and it can be a very difficult thing for somebody to live with this. They used to call it manic depressive, but bipolar, something with two extremes at the same time, or something that relates to the North Pole and the South Pole, or an international states where two countries have most of the power, most of the political influence. So I guess the European Union is bipolar nowadays, with the power of Germany and the power of France. I think that is the bipolar situation within the European Union. Okay, so if something's bipolar, it has both sides of something. Formality, bipolar. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in something formal as well. Yeah, I think you can use it anywhere. Maybe I'm going to downgrade it to a 5.5. And then as to origin, well, bi, two, and polar from Latin, polaris, which is talking about of the North and South Pole. Yeah, because the Earth has two poles, a magnetic pole, one at the north and one at the south, and this is the idea. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. bipolar.